Hey everybody, this is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the 2026 Venture SportTrek Touring 343 VIK. Coming in at a little over 37 feet long, this island kitchen rear living room floor plan is perfect for couples looking for a more luxurious style getaway camper. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, check out all of our social media and our website linked in the description down below, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think on this unit. Starting off on the outside, we have a fully fiberglass exterior with a nice and shiny fiberglass front cap. Here in the door side pass-through storage compartment is where you'll find your inverter. This unit comes with a 200-watt solar package as well as a 30-amp controller. Around front here is where you'll find your 5.3 BAL tongue jack system. It's an auto-leveling system with a power tongue jack, 2 leveling jacks, and 1 powered C-jack. It generally just makes camp setup much easier on you. Here is your off-door side pass-through storage compartment. All of the storage compartments on the outside of this unit have slam latch doors and magnetic door catches. This unit does run off of 50-amp service with a detachable power cord. Around the off-door side is where you'll find things like your tankless water heater, your docking station, your tank drains, and other things like that. This unit does also come with the Weather Shield package, which has a ton of things in it, but it includes things like your forced air, heated and enclosed underbelly, residential fiberglass and radiant foil in the roof, floor, and the front wall, and your reflective PVC roofing membrane with a limited lifetime warranty. Around back, you have your ladder to get up on the roof, check your seals. The roof is fully walkable. You'll also find your rear camera prep back there and a 2-inch rear receiver hitch. And coming back around front, you have your outside campfire kitchen. You've got a fridge, a smart TV, a portable JBL Bluetooth speaker, some USB ports, and of course a griddle and a sink and some storage space. Overall, a great addition, especially if you're planning on hosting or you're group camping and things like that. This is great for those outside parties. This unit also comes with 2 power awnings. You've got a 10-foot 4-inch power awning on the slide, and you've got a 14-foot awning on the main body of the camper. Heading inside, before we get up there, I will point out that the steps on this unit are now the new composite entry steps. They're no longer the super heavy metal ones. They are still strong and durable, so you're going to have no issues with that. Inside, we're going to start off with the table/entertainment center slide. You've got a nice little freestanding table that can seat probably up to 4. And over in your entertainment center, you have a 50-inch smart TV and an electric fireplace. It's going to keep things nice and warm for you. You've also got a ton of storage space along the entertainment center area. You could put games, blankets, movies. Honestly, it could be a catch-all for anything that you want. And since you have such a nice smart TV, you're going to need somewhere to sit, so we've got a 70-inch tri-fold sofa couch that folds out into a bed to fit some extra sleeping space for you. You've also got some nice side tables and, of course, that overhead storage up above there. You've also got some nice theater seats that can seat up to 2 people. These theater seats have heat, massage, cup holders, and outlet charging for you. You've also got some extra, of course, extra storage space above those theater seats because the height on the slide out boxes are about 72 inches, so it's really giving you that extra height to add some extra storage in there. Speaking of storage, the cabinets have solid hardwood doors and the drawers have solid hardwood drawer faces as well. And of course, full extension ball bearing drawer glides, which just ensures that things are extra sturdy. Moving on to the kitchen, we've got a beautiful island kitchen with a ton of storage. It also has that really nice underlit LED lighting to make the island look like it's sort of floating. I have always liked that kind of touch. You'll also find your single basin undermount stainless steel sink in the island as well, and solid surface kitchen counters as well, just to ensure that you don't have any water damage in between the seams of things like laminate counters and stuff like that. Moving on, we've got some really nice pantry storage in this kitchen as well. I think overall that the amount of storage in this kitchen is ideal. You've got this pantry cupboard with adjustable shelves, so you can adjust it to fit your cereal boxes if they're too tall or things like that. Some of your appliances in the kitchen include a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. It's going to keep your things nice and cool, and you've got a decent sized freezer as well. Your other appliances include an oven, a 3-burner range stovetop, and a microwave. And my favorite part of the whole kitchen is the hutch. I think that this is such a cute little addition to a island kitchen. It gives you a ton of extra storage, some extra counter space to cook, and I think it adds character to the space while also maintaining the functionality that is needed in a camper. Moving on to the bathroom, on the way there you will find your solar controller. This unit comes with a 15K BTU AC that is central AC, so it's going to keep this thing nice and cool. You also have a second AC prep in the bedroom if that is something that you wanted to option. Heading into the bathroom, you have a nice porcelain foot flush toilet with storage up above, and you've also got some towel hooks there. The shower is a 30 by 36-inch shower with built-in shelves and these beautiful glass sliding doors. You've also got a skylight above the shower to let in some extra natural light and really brighten the room up. Over to the vanity, you have a nice large medicine cabinet behind the mirror, as well as some decent under the sink storage. You will also find your tankless water heater control in the bathroom. And of course, you've got an outlet next to the sink as well in case you wanted to use a hairdryer or a straightener or curling iron or whatever you need it for. Heading back to the bedroom, you will pass by your monitor panel. This will tell you your tank levels, your battery levels. It will help you control the slides and the awnings and things like that. And finally, into the bedroom, you walk in and you're met with a beautiful king-sized bed that is facing a nice dresser with another fireplace in it. I really like the touch of the fireplace in the bedroom as well. You've also got a TV bracket location and cable and TV antenna hookup up above in case you wanted to put an extra TV in the bedroom. Another one of my favorite aspects and features of SportTrek units is the front window and window seat. I just think this adds some extra character to this unit while also maintaining the storage and functionality aspect of it and allowing some extra natural light in with that large panoramic front window. It also just allows some extra seating space to lounge. Maybe if the weather's bad and you want somewhere quiet to sit and read or just kind of hang out, this is definitely a good place to do it. You've also got outlets on both sides of that window seat, so if you wanted to charge your phone and things like that, that's a perfect place for that. Back around to the bed, again, you have a 70 by 80-inch king-sized bed with a ton of under the bed storage. And because the bed takes up the majority of the slide, you also have some shelves that sort of take place for those missing bedside tables. You can set your phones up there to charge overnight and stuff like that. You also have some great overhead storage above the bed as well. And last but not least, we have the wardrobe closet, which is also where you'll find your washer and dryer prep. You can throw a combination washer dryer in this unit if that's something that you would desire. If not, that is totally okay. This is a perfect space to hang some extra coats and things that you don't use very often. So that was the 2025 SportTrek Touring 343 VIK. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a like, leave a comment down below, let us know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos just like this one. This unit is currently available on our site at premierrv.com. If you're interested in it, go ahead and visit our site, check it out there, give us a call, or come and visit us in person. We would love to see you. Thank you everybody again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.